Mrs. Miller, the escalation of violence from police.
Grounds for escalation.
Ever escalating space.
Buying of gas, water, and food continues to escalate.
If there is to be an escalation, it's better that we start it.
Standard procedure when security has escalated.
6:45, the storm had escalated to severe, and we had
of doom, but it keeps escalating. First the bus.
The conflict in Libya escalated as more.
Since Huntley shut us down, they have been escalating unchecked.
The medical community over the escalating cases of this mysterious.
Mrs. Miller, the escalation of violence from police and medical force.
McNamara to provoke the North so we'd have grounds for escalation.
Yeah, it was in the Times article. It was a good pick.
Major triumph there, the Soviet Union. Ever escalating space race.
Stranding millions of travelers. Panic buying of gas, water, and food continues to escalate, and federal authorities have temporarily...
Be an escalation, Prime Minister. If there is to be an escalation, it's better that we start it. It is steaming away, Prime Minister.
He said they're mobilizing.
Standard procedure when security has escalated. Tell them to wrap it up.
mission site on Mars. At 6:45, the storm had escalated to severe, and we had no choice but to abort the mission.
If we can't find out.
Look, I hate to be the voice of doom, but it keeps escalating. First a bus, then a theater. What's next?
The conflict in Libya escalated as more and more fascist might was thrown.
Anti-IMF. And since Huntley shut us down, they have been escalating unchecked. Killing the Chancellor tonight was a statement.
The G8 summit was the growing concern of the medical community over the escalating cases of this mysterious flu virus. Even more
di rovesciare del caffè, ma la sua prontezza di riflessi e la sua lucidità hanno evitato che l'incidente diventasse una tragedia con provati.
Exactly what I used to do. I used to manufacture escalator shoes for people who were nauseous in elevator shoes.
Candid speech by the president regarding the need for further escalation of the war in Vietnam. President Johnson awarded 4 medals.
That I was seeing someone. Well, she did know that it had escalated a bit, at least on my part.
Not because they are hard.
With this one speech, John F. Kennedy escalated our Cold War with the Soviet Union to outer space.
The war is only just beginning. Thousands are homeless and fleeing the province as the war escalates.
Please. There was never any reason for this to escalate into murder. They're still...
Is that they're good. Once it escalated into a murder 1B for all of them after they killed the first 2 guards, they didn't hesitate.
The State Department is pulling an agent from the field that specializes in responding to escalated cartel activity. You'll be part of the team.
$1 since I was 11?
No, it appreciates over time. It escalates.
You knew about this?
Goes by.
So what you're telling me is this escalating violence is down to a vigilante pensioner?
Yes.
You have
People, everything in the refrigerator!
Do not escalate!
Rules are meant to be broken!
That's the exact opposite of what they're meant.
You're bringing them in. There's no reason to escalate any situations. You stay cool, and if you outnumbered, you...
Last-minute moral debate until the noise of the room escalates into panic and background screams.
Al-Shabaab extremism within Kenya escalated with the Westgate shopping mall attack in Nairobi 2 years ago.
Seals are okay. Point scale escalating from 25 to 250, one of which is a conversation bonus.
Witch hunt. Hostilities have escalated. They're making it very difficult.
Use some feelings of superiority.
not when it escalates.
Have launched an offensive against rebels as fighting escalates in this part of Asia's largest Catholic country.